Alcohol causes cancer. How? A new study looking at blood stem cells uncovered fresh details surrounding the mechanisms by which alcohol raises the risk of developing cancer. Alcohol is known to raise the risk of no fewer than 7 types of cancer. These are mouth, upper throat or pharynx, voice box or laryngeal, esophageal, breast, liver, and bowel cancer. Though the links are established, exactly how alcohol works to induce malignancy is not as well understood. Several mechanisms are thought to be at work. Most previous studies have only examined cells in the laboratory, looking at changes in them after exposure to alcohol or ethanol. Recently, researchers from MRC Laboratory of Molecular Biology in Cambridge, United Kingdom, set out to gain a clear picture of the alcohol-cancer relationship using whole animals. Acetaldehyde and blood stem cells. The team fed diluted ethanol to mice and then used chromosome analysis and DNA sequencing to measure any damage caused by acetaldehyde, a chemical produced when alcohol is processed. They focused their attention on a specific cell type, blood stem cells. Blood stem cells found in blood and bone marrow are immature blood cells that can develop into any type of blood cell, including white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. It is important to understand how alcohol damages these cells, as faulty stem cells are known to cause cancer. As alcohol is broken down in the gut, bacteria convert it into large quantities of acetaldehyde, a chemical that has previously been shown to cause cancer in animals. Following the analysis, the researchers found that acetaldehyde could, in fact, damage and break DNA within blood stem cells. Chromosomes became rearranged, and the DNA sequence was permanently changed in stem cells. Self-defense mechanisms. Alongside new insights into the damage that ethanol causes to stem cells, the scientists uncovered new information about the protective mechanisms employed by our bodies in response to alcohol. Enzymes called aldehyde dehydrogenases form the first line of defense against alcohol-related damage. Aldehyde dehydrogenases break alcohol down into acetate, which our cells can use as a source of energy. Millions of people, many East Asians for instance, have low levels of aldehyde dehydrogenases or faulty copies of the enzymes. This means that toxic acetaldehyde builds up in the body. These individuals will experience telltale flushed cheeks and potentially feel ill. When the researchers investigated mice without aldehyde dehydrogenases, they found that alcohol caused 4 times as much damage to DNA when compared with mice that could produce aldehyde dehydrogenases. Beyond aldehyde dehydrogenases, the body has a range of other secondary mechanisms that can repair various types of DNA damage. But these mechanisms do not always work. Some people have mutations that render them ineffective. Alcohol is known to give rise to cancer, and studies such as this help us to understand why and will eventually help to prevent or slow alcohol-related cancers.